Plant FAQs, Antigonon leptopus. The enchanting coral vine, a gardener's guide to Antigonon leptopus. The first time I encountered the coral vine, also known as Antigonon leptopus, I was captivated by its cascading brilliance. Vibrant pink flowers cascaded down a trellis, a mesmerizing display against the emerald backdrop of summer. This fast-growing vine quickly became a staple in my garden, offering a touch of the tropics year-round. But beyond its beauty, Antigonon leptopus boasts surprising resilience and ease of care. In this guide, I'll share my experience with this enchanting vine, covering everything from growth rate to propagation methods. How long does it take to grow Antigonon leptopus? Patience isn't a requirement for enjoying the coral vine's beauty. Antigonon leptopus is a fast grower, reaching maturity in just one season under ideal conditions. From a seed sown in spring, you can expect vibrant blooms by late summer or early fall. If you're starting with a young plant, it will take slightly longer to establish itself, but you can still expect flowers within the first year. Where to buy Antigonon leptopus? Finding Antigonon leptopus can be easier than you think. Many online retailers offer seeds and young plants. Local nurseries, particularly those specializing in flowering vines, might also carry it. Be sure to check with your local gardening groups or forums for recommendations on reputable sellers in your area. How to plant and care for Antigonon leptopus. Antigonon leptopus thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. Amending your planting area with compost or a slow-release fertilizer will give your vine a good start. Water regularly, especially during the first growing season, but allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Once established, the coral vine is surprisingly drought-tolerant. Here are some additional tips for happy and healthy Antigonon leptopus. Provide support. This is a climbing vine, so it needs a trellis, fence, or other structure to climb on. Light pruning. An occasional light pruning throughout the growing season will encourage bushier growth and more flowers. Winter protection. In colder climates, the vine may die back in winter. However, the roots are hardy and will sprout again in spring. You can also try mulching around the base of the plant for added winter protection. What to plant with Antigonon leptopus? The coral vine's vibrant pink flowers pair beautifully with a variety of plants. Here are a few ideas. Clematis. This climbing vine offers contrasting blooms in shades of purple, white, or blue. Morning glories. These fast-growing annuals will complement the coral vine's cascading habit with vibrant trumpet-shaped flowers. Mandevilla. For a touch of elegance, consider pairing the coral vine with mandevilla's large, trumpet-shaped blooms in shades of pink, red, and white. Propagation. Sharing the beauty of the coral vine. Antigonon leptopus is easily propagated by seed or stem cuttings. Seed propagation. Seeds can be sown directly outdoors in spring after the danger of frost has passed. Alternatively, you can start them indoors a few weeks earlier. Stem cuttings. Take stem cuttings in late spring or early summer. Choose healthy stems with a few nodes and plant them directly in pots filled with a well-draining potting mix. With a little patience and care, you'll be rewarded with new coral vine plants to share with friends and family, allowing them to experience the beauty of this captivating vine in their own gardens. Beyond beauty, the allure of Antigonon leptopus. The coral vine's charm goes beyond its captivating flowers. It attracts butterflies and hummingbirds to the garden, adding a touch of life and movement. Additionally, its fast-growing nature makes it a great choice for covering unsightly fences or walls. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, Antigonon leptopus is a rewarding addition to your garden. With its ease of care, fast growth, and captivating blooms, the coral vine is sure to become a favorite. So, why not give it a try and watch your garden transform into a vibrant tropical paradise?